My name is Amy Hicks.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester in England.
How old are you really?
I'm 18 years old.
Tell us something about you.
I work in a theatre and I'm trained to be a theatre technician.
Is this your first camp?
It is my very first camp and it's also my first time teaching.
Are you enjoy the camp?
I absolutely love it here. The kids are great, the staff are great, the helpers are great. It's just so welcoming.
Yeah. Word to describe this camp?
Hectic.
What's your group?
I have the 7 to 8 year olds in the orange group.
Yeah. What do you like about Italy?
Definitely the food. The food is incredible. Put on quite a lot of weight, but you know, it's good.
Would you like to come back here?
I would love to come back here in a year's time just to see how everyone's doing and hopefully work with you all again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Acle's English camps